Okay, my friends, before you replace your AC compressor or any other parts that you want to replace in your Honda CRV, do this first. You know, you say a lot of people, they go and replace the compressor first, they can replace the relays, they replace the filters, they recharge it. When it was already empty, they throw everything out, they charge it again. And even that, to replace this switch, you have to empty the system, because this thing blow up in your face. If you take it out and it's charged, it's gonna blow out. So don't do it at home. This is kind of dangerous to put it on, but if you do at home, make sure it's empty. How you gonna empty it? Well, that's how you're gonna figure it out. How you gonna empty it? Because in reality, you need a machine to empty it, to recycle this stuff. Okay, so if you wanna find another way to empty it, I mean, you can just push the valve, but that's not right, because you're not supposed to breathe this gas. But anyway, you empty it the way you want it. Put this thing back on, but put a new one. Vacuum it. Use one of these pumps. You can rent them. Once you got a good vacuum, this is a 2018 Honda CRV. You need one of these gauges. You can get it in O'Reilly, AutoZone, whatever, and you have to put 2 cans of this. This is only 8 ounces, 226 grams, and by the book, you need to have, let's see, that's it. You need 17 ounces, and those little cans, they only have 6. I mean, they only have 8. So you need 2. See right there? You need 2 of these. We already put one on. It's still on the low side, and but this gauge, it goes right there. Let me get a flashlight. Okay, the switch is down there, right there. That's the switch for the Honda CRV. Come on, I can't. It's not showing, but anyway, that's the right here, all the way up. This is the driver's passenger side headlight right behind it. How I did it, I got a long extension. I went this way, took it out with a big socket, and put the new one back in, but it was empty first. So that's how we get this thing going. Now it's working very good. With 1 can it works, but it is low, so we have to put 2 cans in order to this thing to work perfect. Okay, so before you replace your compressor and you spend $300, buy this thing. It's only 40 bucks. It's gonna save you a lot of trouble. It is a way to test it, but you know what, just put a new one on and that's it. Okay, so bye bye.